Me and my friend bought this printable planner which had this section about types of income. We were looking at it like, okay, salary is the basic earnings you can have and we already know about it. However, there were some interesting points here which we didn't know about. Now, my friend started to read and we saw that there was a bonus. Okay, bonus comes with a salary, you have an income, okay, that's fine. Now, there was a rent income and commissions and dividends and interests and even birthday gifts. Okay, birthday gifts was something we already received, but what about all the other types of income? So we wanted to explore for ourselves and make some extra income for ourselves. So commissions, dividends, and interests really got our attention. Follow for more and subscribe.